falling off the door hanging off the hinges, my feet are still sore.
Hello everybody, it is Matt Procedures here, ready to unbox this Transformers toy I just got from Walmart. And it's Transformers Generation. It's a toy of Sandstorm, as you can see here in the box. Let's give that still for you. Well, before we open it, we'll just look at the box real quick. Yeah, there's some parts, title, and then here's a description of Sandstorm. This profile, and then shows what he transforms to, into 3 things, and then it shows his stats. Focus. So the first one's his strength and stuff. Probably can't read it. Yeah, let's get this open. Pretty dumb using a pencil, huh? Let's see what I have. Okay, I'll open it real quick. Just pull out this right here. There you have the toy with this poster here. Probably a poster. Yeah, this poster behind, like right here. It's right here. Let's put the toy aside. Let's see what's in there. Oh. Oh crap. Oh. Shoot. That was an accident. Well, these show instructions on how to transform your toy. Both sides. Dang. Well, right here. Visibility of the camera is not that much, but not that wide. High. But here it is. And the other side to make the ship thing. This up. Now for the toy, or anything other than that. Let's get this up. You can see it's just a background here in this box. Yeah. Here it is. I think it's just the instructions in the toy. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. Get some scissors. Strings. Yeah, I'll use this one. Nice. Here it is. You got these 2 wheels, a movable head. Let's see. Bendable legs. Nice. I didn't expect this. This is nice. I really like this toy now. Well, here, get this thing out. This is the gun. How does he fire this? See, put it in his hand. Oh, I failed that attempt. Well, thanks for watching my unboxing of the Transformers toys Sandstorm, my bad.